Hi, Kara Sheftel with BDS, and isn't it always the way that when you really need to print something, all of a sudden the IP address changes on your printer? What do? Well, thank you so much for asking. I'm going to show you because it's happening to me right now. To my Canon imageFORCE, which I absolutely love, by the way, great device, highly recommend, 10 out of 10. But my IP address changed. So I already did find my IP address, which is a video that we already have up on our YouTube channel if you need to know how to do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my settings page, and at the top, if I type printers, then it's going to show me printers and scanners. So I'm going to go there, and you can see that I already have an imageFORCE driver here. It's just not going to connect because my IP addresses are different. So I'm going to open up this imageFORCE in the settings area, and I'm going to go to printer properties. And I have all of these different menus across the top. I'm going to go to ports. And now, as you can see, if I expand this, this is not the IP address that matches what I have. So I'm going to add one right now, and it's going to be an IP, and I'm going to do new port, and I'm going to hit my next button, and then I'm just going to add in what the new IP address is. For me, it is this, and I'm going to hit next. It's finding it. It's still finding it. It's not. Did it find it? Okay, finish. Okay. All right, are we ready? Okay, so it did find it, it did add it. So now if I go to my document, which I must have closed earlier, but if I go to my document with my good buddy here, Amanda sent me, I can now print, I'm gonna make this bigger for you guys. I can now print this document using the new IP, and it will work. So I'm just gonna do that for you right now so that you can see that it in fact did the thing. I'm not using the Xerox, I'm gonna use the imageFORCE wherever you may be. As you can see at BDS, we have a lot of printers because I am testing a lot of printers. Where's my imageFORCE? Here we go, imageFORCE, and see how it says ready? It didn't say ready before. This is now going to work, and print. Lovely. Thank you so much for joining. That's how you switch that. Hope you have a great day.